I've spent my entire time learning how to make money online. And then for the past 4 years, I've learned how to use AI to make money. I've made all the mistakes I can make so that you don't have to make it. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what I'd do if I had to make $500 within the next week. Now, if that's something you'd like to learn, let us go. Now, here's what I'd do. I will not try to build an app. I will not spend weeks making an ebook. I definitely will not wait for my content to go viral. Here's what I do. I would sell a simple service that solves one annoying problem for a real business. Now, here's one truth that I need you to know. Claude or ChatGPT, any AI tool like that will not magically make you money. You're not going to open the app, type a few prompts, and then there's money in your account. What it helps you do is it helps you work faster, create better deliverables, and offer solutions. So even if you're starting from scratch, these are the things AI can help you achieve. The fastest route to your first $500 online is usually not a passive income, or maybe not even a generic digital product. It is a service. You find a problem, you create a simple offer, you use Claude to help you deliver the work, and you get paid for the result. It's as simple as that. And so if I'm trying to make my first $500, I'm going to think about, like I said, the solution. And what will inform my solutions is a few things. Number one, I'm looking for either 5 clients that will pay me $100, right? Or I'm looking for 2 clients that will pay me $250 each. Or I'm looking for just 1 client that will pay me $500. And I would focus on a service that I can deliver quickly, all right, without pretending to be an expert at anything, because I'm just starting. So this information will help me decide what product I'm creating. So if I'm creating a product that is $100, right, maybe I'm creating a digital workbook. If I'm creating a product for $250, then I'm creating maybe a coaching service, a group coaching. Then if it's $500, then I'm creating a one-on-one coaching program. Do you understand? So let's talk about the few steps I would take if I'm going to make $500 this week. Number one, I'll pick a simple service. Like I said before in the introduction, the first thing I would do is choose one service that Claude can help me fulfill fast. All right? And that Claude is really powerful these days. Here are some of the beginner-friendly options that I would recommend to anyone. Creating a 30-day social media content for local businesses. All right? Look at the local businesses around you. The ones around your house. Create social media. Go online. If you don't find them on social media, that is your cue. All right. Number 2, writing emails, captions, and promotional content for coaches or service providers. Not only coaches, but service providers, the businesses around you as well. All right. And then the third one, building a simple client outreach kit for freelancers, realtors, or small business owners. Because every one of these people, they need the clients. And so creating an outreach kit, right, for them will totally make your money, right? And let me give you one bonus one, creating a coaching service. A lot of people know what they want to do, but they need guidance, right? So personally, what I would choose would be a coaching service. I would choose a one-on-one coaching service. You know why? Because it is easy to get 1 client that will pay me $500 than to get 5 clients to pay me $100 each. Why? Because that 1 client knows exactly what they need. They know the outcome they want. And I'm providing that outcome for them. Then it's easier for me to convince them to pay me that money to provide that outcome for them. Now, what I'll do is I would keep this offer extremely clear. I would make it so clear. This is what you would achieve if you allow me coach you within this next 30 days. All right. Or this is what you would achieve if you allow me coach you within this time frame. Do you understand? So that is what I would do. Step 2, choose one type of client, right? Now, I would not pitch to everyone. When I was starting the Empire Builder, my premium coaching program, I did not pitch to everyone. You guys would hardly hear me talk about it. I pitched it to a few people. So I would choose a couple of people who I know would need this kind of service, right? I would choose, or maybe I would choose one type of business for 1 week. So maybe I'm talking to realtors this week, I'm talking to hairstylists next week, or I'm talking to content creators this week. I would pick one type of client, not everyone. This helps you put all your strength into that particular client, looking for solutions for that client and all of that. The more specific you are, the easier it becomes to provide a product, a solution, an offer, to write your offer and to make your outreach. You can make it feel personal because you know who you're talking to at the back of your mind. And this is what people need. This is what clients need. Step 3, I will use Claude to build a sample. Now, listen, if you do all of these things I'm telling you guys, it is going to be hard for you not to make money. It is going to be so hard. And I'm telling you from experience because I've been doing this for the past 8 years. All right. Now, before I ask anyone at all to pay me, and this is what I do now, I would use Claude to create a small sample. I actually have a skill on Claude. And when I put in what my clients need, Claude helps me build everything, the entire package that client will need to succeed at that thing I'm coaching them at. If you want access to all of this, my skills, I invite you to join, right, in the Empire Academy. I'm going to be linking it in the description and, of course, in the comments. At the Empire Academy, these are the things we're building. We're building businesses. We're learning AI tools and all of those things. It's an amazing community of almost 100 women. All right, join us. Now, to build this sample, I'm going to put this prompt into Claude. I'm going to say, act as a social media strategist. For example, if I'm trying to build a 30-day package for a fee, a content creation package, I'm going to say, act as a social media strategist for a local realtor in whatever city. Now, put whoever you're creating this package, right? Their ideal clients are this. Create 5 Instagram content ideas that build trust and encourage inquiries. For each idea, include a strong hook, a short caption, a call to action, and recommended format, reel, carousel, or static post. Keep the tone warm, knowledgeable, and local. Then I would review it, I would edit it to make sure it actually sounds like the business, not like a robot. And that's where a lot of you make mistakes. You just take it from ChatGPT and Claude and use it like that. But we can all hear that it sounds robotic, right? So don't sell any unedited AI output. Don't do that. All right. You have to customize it. And you're selling a customized content solution. But Claude is helping you create it faster. Do you understand? Step 4, find 20 potential clients. Now, I will make a list of 20 potential clients. Even if it's my mom, my brother, my sister, my uncle, my auntie, I would make a list of potential clients. I will search Instagram, Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, or even local business directories around me. I would drive around town and write 20 potential clients, right? Then I'll go online to check if they have social media, right? So I'm giving you this example, assuming I'm trying to become a social media manager for them, right? I'll check if they have not posted, or maybe they don't even have a social media account. They haven't posted in 2 weeks. Their captions are short or repetitive, or their social media account is not growing. Then that is my cue, all right? I'm going to go to those 20 people and message them. So I'm not just doing cold calls to 200 people. I have targeted 20 people. Now, I want you to know this. You cannot make money by being lazy. I will never be among the people who tell you that there's a lazy way to make money, because there's not. All right. So you have to put in the work. All right. Step 5, send the personalized outreach message. If you are a content creator, you would notice that you get some of these messages in your inbox. People who are trying to make you purchase thumbnails from them or video editing and all of that. Right. And you pitch it to them. Now, you may have to, maybe if you pitch to those 20 people, maybe one person will accept. But it's a start. All right. That is how to make the money. Step 6, do the math. Now, I want to make this feel realistic for you. If your startup package is $100, you need 5 clients. All right. If it is $250, you need 2 clients. If it is $1, you need 500 people to trust you, right? If it's $500, you just need 1 person. Don't look down on yourself. Don't say, oh my God, nobody's going to buy a $500 course from me. Nobody's going to buy a $300 course from me. Nobody's going to buy. If it's $500, your courses, that means you're looking for 1 person. All right. And it's often better. All right. Step 7, deliver fast and get proof. Once you get a client that has decided to trust you, make sure you're delivering fast, make sure you're reliable, make sure you're getting proof from them. So if you deliver it, all right, make sure it works. Don't leave your clients, even if you say this service is for 2 days, if it does not work, especially because you're a new business owner, if it does not work, don't go till it works, because referrals are super important to business owners. A referral will take you farther than your cold calls will do. Do you understand? So make sure it works. Make sure it's helpful so that they can refer you to other people, so that they can return, right? So that you can get the referrals, so that you can continue to make more sales. It is super important for you to do it, right? So now here's how I would execute this entire thing I've given to you. If I had 1 week to do it, if I had just 1 week to do it, here's how I'll do it. On day 1, I'll pick the service and 1 content type. On day 2, I'll create the sample and the offer. On day 3, I'll find 20 potential clients. Day 4, I'll send 10 personalized messages. On day 5, I'd send 10 more messages and follow up with anyone who replies. On day 6, I'll close my first starter client and deliver fast. And on day 7, I'd ask for feedback and collect a testimonial and repeat it. And that's imagining that the service I'm offering to them is just 1 day, right? So if it's more than 1 day, then if it's a week of service, then this is going to take you 7 weeks. If it's a month, then this is going to take you 7 months. Do you understand? No, it doesn't have to take you 7 months. I'm sorry. The first few steps, right, can take you days or weeks. The delivery, so if you have to deliver in months, then that's what's going to take you more months than expected. So this is how I'd make my first $500 if I was starting from scratch. See, it's easier than you guys think, and this is what I keep telling everyone. All right, as a stay-at-home mom who always wants to have time for our kids and who has made money from home for the past 8 years, this is my secret. This is what I would do if I was starting today. So if you're ready to start making money, I want you to go ahead and comment, I'm ready to start making money. Drop that in the comment section for me. I want to see it. All right. And I respond to every single comment. So go ahead and drop that. I would love to read what you guys think. All right. Now, like I said, I'm inviting you guys to join the academy where we learn everything AI and making money online. So I invite you to join almost 100 like-minded women like you and me. We're always learning. We have master classes. We're sharing tools and prompts and all of those things. We're sharing it together. So I invite you to join us. The link will be in the description and of course in the pinned comment. Anyway, guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. I hope you have an amazing day.